Warning! This video is only suitable for viewers 14 and over, so if you're 13 and under, bugger off.
Hello everyone, Ash here and welcome to another B-movie review, the show where I review the crappiest of the crap. And on this episode I have a special review. Well, not special because it's a newer film. Usually I've been reviewing films that have been out quite a long time, but this time I've got a film that actually came out this year, just a couple of months ago, and it is The Drone. So anyway, yeah, before we get into this, let me know in the comments down below, do you like these B-movie reviews? Have you got any crazy movies you'd like me to review? Drop them in the comments down below and maybe I will. So let's get with the droning. Droning? I don't know if that's a word. But wait, let's get into it. So the plot of this film revolves around a serial killer, serial rapist, serial bowl. I mean, that's what's wrong. Who, when confronted by the police and caught by the police, gets struck by lightning, because that's original. But due to him holding on to a drone as he was struck by lightning, his conscious, souls, whatever the fuck it is, gets transferred into this drone. Now, this drone becomes the killer. It starts terrorizing this Lung family, and yeah, that's the plot.
Oh yeah.
The TNA in this film is pretty weak. We only get a couple of underwear shots and a few bikini shots. We even get a PG-13 sex scene where we don't actually see much. We more hear what's going on, like as the camera focuses on the drone, which is being perverted, and watching them while they're doing the business. So yeah, not really much TNA in the film. I will mention some of my favourites. One is when the drone who's in the car with one of the main characters takes control of his car. May I mention that his car is pretty old, so I don't know how the drone could take control of it, but it somehow does. And the guy has a GPS unit, and the GPS goes, "Die, motherfucker, die!" And there's another bit where the drone becomes like a flashy killer machine where it decapitates two police officers in just a like really amazingly fast. Obviously, when it's trying to kill the main character, it can't zoom like that, because we wouldn't have a great film. Also, a fantastic bit is when the drone finally, near the end, transforms. You see its body starts to shift, hits a plastic, starts getting ripped. You sort of see the wires sort of revolve around it, and it grows a face and it starts talking. You thought you could destroy me, but I am here. You know, it's just weird. It's just so funny to watch. And one last thing, which is kind of weird, funny, gross, I don't know, all of the above, is when they hire a private investigator. He's looking for the drone. He's set on the loo, on the bog, on the toilet with his pants down, and he suddenly has this like GPS unit which is tracking the drone. He finally figure out that it's close. He gets up, he's still got no pants on obviously, and the drone goes right up his ass. Yeah, right up the ass! And it even takes a photo of the bloody ass and sends it to the family. What the f***? Unlike the best bits, I've narrowed down the WTF moments to two. One is a fantastic line. So the drone goes to find its brother who, as it gets destroyed earlier on, and he wants his brother to help him, and his brother says, "I don't want any more of your shit. I've helped you enough." But the drone, who's now talking through a voice thing, says, "Come on, you owe me." And you're expecting maybe he saved his life, maybe he did something, but what does he owe him for? "I helped set up your Wi-Fi." What the hell? I have set up your Wi-Fi. However, the main WTF moment happens towards the end, where the drone possesses the lead character's husband. Yes, he takes over his body. He attacks her. She pushes him. He falls over the balcony and lands in the yard. There's a pole in the yard and it goes straight through him, and yeah, obviously he's dying, lots of blood everywhere, and before he dies, he transforms back into her husband, and she looks down at him and says, "Are you okay? Are you okay? Seriously? Are you okay? He's got a pole sticking the fuck out of him. Are you okay?" What the fuck? So in conclusion, I had a lot of fun with this film, way more than I expected, because I thought it was going to be kind of crap. But it ended up being so funny, obviously for the wrong reason, and that's why I'm going to give it 2 beers out of a 6-pack, because you don't really have to be that drunk. I wasn't drunk, because you will still have fun. It has some hilarious moments, some that I didn't even mention. It does a parody of The Shining. It has some great lines, like a guy sniffing cocaine and asking for a Uber as the police chase him. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting together with a bunch of friends and watching this, because the drone is great. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that like button, and if you are new to the channel, consider watching some of my other videos down below. And yeah, maybe even hitting that subscribe button, because it helps me out a lot. And I will see you all next time. Bye bye.